Hello viewers, welcome to brand new episode of Campus Eye. I'm Gowtham Naik PD. Let's have a look at this week's news. The Aloysian Dance League 2022 was organized at St. Aloysius College. The first round took place on 4th April at Mother Teresa Peace Park. Reverend Father Praveen Martis SJ, the principal of St. Aloysius College, inaugurated the program by releasing balloons. Dr. Alvin Desa, the controller of examination, presided over the program. Ms. Sandhya and Ms. Sahana Devadiga, the staff coordinators, Ranvil Furtado, Akila Jasmine and Sihana Rebello, the student coordinators, were on the dais. Mr. Kaushik, Mr. Vinayak and Ms. Ashita were the judges of the event. During the program, students entertained the audience with rap songs and flash mob. The judges also entertained the audience with a graceful performance.
Aloysian Dance League is the first time ever we are starting Aloysian Dance League here at St. Aloysius College Autonomous. Let's all start with a good kick that all of you are here, all of you are witnessing, so that all of our students get that strength and energy and the passion from you to get that cheer and the support. We can start it in a good gesture and a good note.
Natak, a team of theatre artists, conducted a 3-day Konkani Drama Festival which was held from March 25th to 27th at the Don Bosco Hall in Mangaluru. The inauguration of 3-day theatre festival was held on March 25th. Manish Pinto, president of Natak, gave the inaugural speech, and Father Austin Parish priest of Derebail Church, and Eric Ozario, Gurkar of Mant Soban, spoke about the drama festival. Muja Putaso Kinkolo, which was directed by Vikas Kalakul, was presented by Mand Group. Handa Utla, a known drama of late Chafra, was presented on the same day by Astitwa Mangaluru. The play was directed by Denis Montero. On the second day, the team members of Kalaradan, Pangla, presented Ligori Master. The drama, directed by Ganesh Rao Elluru and written by Walson Desa, Pangla. Konkani drama Moga Amruta was presented on the last day of the drama festival. This drama was originally written in Kannada by Jayant Kaikini and translated to Konkani by Victory Karkal and directed by Vidhu Uchil. 6 police personnel of Mangaluru Police Department has been awarded with CM Medal of Honor. The winners of the medal are Nataraj ACP Traffic, Pradeep TR PSI, CCB, Srimati Vanajakshi K PSI, CCRB, Shobha PSI, Kushal Maniani ASI, PS Ishq CHC 566. The Mangaluru Police Commissioner N. Sashi Kumar has tweeted regarding the honor that is received by the Mangaluru Police. This medal is awarded on the basis of recommendation of the station that they are in to the District Commissioner Office, where they recommend it to the State Home Secretary, from which they choose the best candidates. The Don Bosco Hall is one of the oldest drama theatres in the city of Mangaluru. It is a great initiative to preserve the culture and tradition. The hall, which has been recently renovated, withholds the historic beauty of the building. It's time for us to have a glimpse on the beautifully renovated Don Bosco Hall.
Hello viewers, today I'm standing in front of a unique hall which has an history of about 7 decades, which is built in 1951 through Konkani Nataka Sabha, which is the mother institution of Konkani theatres. Yes, the Don Bosco Hall.
The Konkani Nataka Sabha has a well-equipped drama hall of its own, known as the Don Bosco Hall, accommodating nearly 700 people and situated on Balmata Road in the heart of the city. The hall and the adjoining commercial building, built in the nearly 1950s with a view to the augmenting resources. 7 decades old building is now getting new look.
It is an ideal place to stage Konkani, Tulu, Beri, Kannada and other language programs.
The Konkani Nataka Sabha is a Konkani dramatic society formed on September 19, 1943 by Reverend Father George Albuquerque Pi SJ of St. Aloysius College, Mangalore, by bringing together active youngsters of local dramatic groups from all over Mangalore. It has 12 local units with about 268 members on the rolls from the general body of the Sabha. The administration looked after by a managing committee, and the day-to-day affairs are conducted by an executive committee consisting of the president, the vice president, the General Secretary, the Assistant Secretary, and the Treasurer.
The hall was recently been renovated without compromising the old beauty and structure of the building and was inaugurated by Mangaluru City Police Commissioner Shefeek N on 27 January 2022.
The hall is renovated with granite flooring and new fans and lights are fitted in the place of the old ones. Here you can see the responsibility once carried towards their work. The maintenance of the hall is done by the workers with sincerity, and the stage has been cleared and the properties are handled with utmost care. The hall has 650 plus seats and a spacious stage. There are provisions to fix all the arrangements to be made in advance for a play.
One of the main features of the hall is the stage, which is made up of wood and directly atop the makeup room.
Don Bosco Hall is now set to host artistic performances by the exponents of theatre, music, and dance. There are also facilities for conducting various training programs in the art. 272 drama and performance artists of 14 different units are members of Konkani Natak Sabha. There is also a women's unit.
There are many unsung heroes who go unnoticed. Even after giving an ample to the society, they live in a simple life and do not have any image of publicity. In today's Campus Eye, we are meeting one such person whose achievements are truly inspirable.
There are few who do not seek fame or popularity but are well known in their locality. Mr. Chandrashekar Mantradi, who is not just a tailor but a tailor with flair. He wanted to do something new in the field of tailoring. Chandrashekar stood different among other modern techniques in tailoring, so he made a small palm-sized shirt which made him popular. He designed the shirt in 3 hours by just using needle and thread. He also designed a shirt using stapler pin for sewing.
ಟೈಲರಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೊಸತನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ತುಂಬ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಮುಟ್ಟದೇನೆ ಕೈ ಹೊಲಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಶರ್ಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಬಂತು. ಮತ್ತು ಈಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಜನ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಶರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಲರ್ ಪಿನ್ ಬಳಸಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗಲೂ ಪ್ರಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಆದರೂ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
It's not all about sewing and design. There is another side of his story. He has also recognized himself in the field of arts and drama. He performed in several drama shows with small role and entertained people. He had acted in a short film, Friends, which was directed by Vivek. He also got an opportunity to act in Kannada films. He sings and uploads songs regularly in his S R Tailor covered song YouTube channel.
ಏನು ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಅದು ಸೈಡ್. ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿಯಂ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹಾಡುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಟನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತೆಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆ ಹಾಡನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಬಾರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
No career is inferior. Innovation in any field is possible if there is respect and love. The reason for my experiments is to show respect for those who feel inferior to the tailoring.
Goli Soda, also called marble soda, is hard to find these days. In the age of branded bottles of fizz available at every turn, none can match the fizz that comes with the tasty Goli Soda. Times have changed, and so do the preference of the people. But Goli Soda remains the favorite drink of the native. Come, let's have a look at the traditional and iconic drink in the city.
The Goli Soda has become a rare product these days. Petty vendors are switching to selling cool drinks manufactured by multinational companies, packed in trendy bottles. There are few vendors in the district who still sell Goli Soda, as did their elders, sometimes from generations. Many vendors have shifted to making soda using modern equipments and have done away with traditional Goli Soda, as the demand has now been increased. However, old-timers like the Koragappa Goli Soda factory and Sri Jagadamba Goli Soda at Urva Market still use the manual soda making machine to churn out this all-time favorite summer drink every day.
Goli Soda. The fizzy sweet quenchers are the reminders of beautiful time. Long before colas and cold beverages became our preferred beverages, anyone who is raised and brought up in Mangalore will remember their first memory of Goli Soda.
Due to the continued popularity, the bottle and the drink have become part of Mangalore's rich culture. The drink, which is highly in demand during summer months, which is often sold with mixed lemon juice, crushed ice, chaat masala and some other rich flavors. In the present times, Goli Soda has actually acquired newer avatars. Earlier, the soda was bland but sweet. Now shops have a wide variety of flavors with modified bottles.
तू लहान असताना तुझे कितें मेमरी गोली सोडाचे?
आम्ही साना सोडा गोली पिताले चेपटा सोडा गॅस भरून घालून दिताले न्हू साना आता भायर मध्यंतर क्लोज केला न्हू आता हांगा मँगलोर सेल करता आसा.
आणि कितले तेंप जाला हे तुमी स्टार्ट केल्या गोली सोडा?
ताका 1 वीक जालें. लास्ट टायम 2-3 मंथ्स बॅक हाडलें हांगा तर मी स्टॉप केला. आता वापस घालले काल पयर 1 वीक बॅक घालता.
Yes, it's true that soda has now assumed a side part. Though, if you want to bring back memories of those Easter years when you were sipping on Goli Soda, you can still buy them at few petty shops in town, especially in the hit summer.
The littering of garbage still affects the city of Mangaluru. These garbage dumps are an eyesore and health hazard. Take a look at how the Mangaluru City Corporation has come up with an innovative solution to stop the littering of garbage in the city.
In spite of many awareness programs done and many cleanups taken up by organizations and NGOs, people have still been throwing garbage. Waste is still being littered by businesses, petty shop owners, street vendors and also homes. But these organizations can't be cleaning up after everyone. The Mangaluru City Corporation has come up with an innovative solution to stop the littering of garbage in Mangaluru city by installing CCTV cameras. These cameras have been installed at 12 locations like Nandiguda vicinity, Car Street, Akash Bhavan, Falnir, Suratkal, among other areas. The online surveillance system is made possible by high vision cameras powered by a solar panel and a 40 amp hour battery, eliminating the need for electricity connection. A router with a SIM in the camera unit sends live footage from the spots, and the command and control center of the MCC can identify violators and take necessary action. Health inspectors may also check footage through their mobile apps. Officials can identify the people throwing waste from the footage and find the registration number of the vehicles that violators use while littering. Action would be taken against violators with a penalty of 1,000 to 25,000 rupees. Hope these solar powered CCTVs will serve as a deterrent for those who intentionally litter garbage.
That's all for this week's Campus Eye. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Until then, stay tuned.